It's Lisa in the house. Whoa! 40K in the house. Can I get a hell yes? Hold on 1 second. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me unmute you. 40K, Lisa. What? What the fuck? Is that pretty cool or what?
I'm sorry, you can probably hear the washing machine bouncing around the kitchen. It will finish in about 1 minute. But what this has enabled me to do is not only have some capital in the business. My other half, who is a taxi driver, he's totally fed up with it. He's been really depressed with it. He's actually going to give up. We're going to pay him at the business that he can basically dedicate to helping me full time get this up and running. So never in a million years did I think we would get to a stage where he would say, do you know what, I am going to give up what I know and I'm going to launch in with you, because he's so risk averse.
That's amazing. Never in a million years, let's just get clear on that. Never in a million years did you think it would be a possibility for him to believe in what you were doing. Get that?
Oh, he believed in me. He believed in me, but he was frustrated. Yeah.
There's a difference. Again, look, Lisa, there's a difference in believing with it and versus I want to actually do it with you. That's like, I believe in you, but that's a whole different level of belief where you're saying, I want to jump in with you and do this full time because he can see it works. Right. And so therefore it's not, most people have a partner that's not, I don't want to say skeptical, but in terms of they won't believe it till you are fully committed to it. And they've heard it before. Hearing it is one thing, but actually when you start to see someone's actions and, like now they can see the results coming through, it's a very different way of communicating when you're saying, I'm going to do this. Well, that's all great. You've said that before, but what's the difference where you got, you invested in, you went in, you committed, and as a byproduct of that, you are taking, 40K contracts. That's something that you can't ignore. That's like, holy shit, then let's pay attention to this. That's amazing. Well done.
Thank you so much.
40K is killer. All right. What would you say to anyone that's on the edge of joining clients in automation? What would you say to them? With the support the way it is, with the program the way it is, no brainer.
It's a no-brainer. And actually, I would say go into it with an open mind, because I've actually always thought that I was open-minded, and I have been to the process, but like you said, it takes that reiteration, and actually without you really thinking about it, things have dawned on me, because at first I was just focusing on the templates, and then I'm like, just one day sitting there, ping in my head, hold on a minute, why am I not taking the coaching model and what you're doing and actually putting the consultancy into that? Absolutely, 100%. I would say to anyone, do it 100%, but it's not really for time wasters. And I know that in a sense sounds a bit hypocritical of me to say, because I've not intentionally been wasting time, but it's you've got to believe that you can get what you want in life, I think, and this is exactly what that does. But it gives you that clear and structured process, and you keep saying trust the process, and actually in trusting the process, I am so much clearer now. And yes, every now and then I go, oh, is it going to work, but I'm like, no one's going to die. You just got to try it. It is the way it is. Very good. So no, 100%. That's a very long-winded way of answering your question, but 100%.
Give her a hand, ladies and gentlemen. It's Lisa. All right, keep going. Let me know if you need any help, and just keep on pumping through it. Stay focused, circle of focus. Go, 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 go. Yeah.